What is up, peoples?
Yellow Marble coming at you.
I'm Doug.
And I'm Scott.
Coming at you with a math lesson this evening. We're talking about slope here. And slope is one of those concepts that people have a hard time with. And it's amazing because it's really an easy concept.
Well, let's see how easy it is, Doug.
Okay, let's just dive right in. I'll show you some simple aspects on how to figure out slope. When you look at it, this is the y-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. And you might think, oh, wow, what is that? Okay, well, basically, this is how simple this is. This right here is the slope. And this right here, along with the either the positive or the negative, is the y-intercept. You might say, well, what is that? Okay,
what is that?
Yeah, a slope is kind of like a mountain. You're either going up the mountain or you're going down the mountain. Okay, this is a positive slope. This part is the positive slope. This part is the negative slope. Okay, so on a Cartesian grid, that means this would be a positive slope going left to right up. This is a negative slope going left to right down.
Got it.
Okay, so with the slope in this example, what do you think the slope is here in this problem, Scott?
2.
Exactly. It's 2. Why? Because this is in front of the x, just like the same way this is in this formula. So what is the y-intercept?
3.
Positive 3.
Positive 3.
Which means it's going to cross the xy axis at positive 3 right there.
Got it.
And it's a positive slope. This is a positive slope right here, so there's no negative in front of it. Therefore, it's going to look something like that. Going through the xy axis, the Cartesian grid. Okay?
Okay.
Now, in this example, we got y equals 2x minus 2. What is the slope here?
2.
The slope is 2. We have a positive slope because there's no negative here. And here we have a y-intercept of negative 2. So where's it going to cross the y-axis?
Below the x-axis.
At negative 2.
Yes.
Right there. And we know it's a positive slope, so we know it's going to look something like that. And it's going to go through the y-axis at negative 2. This one went through the y-axis at positive 3.
Got it.
And that's as simple as it is. Let's not make it too complicated. That's pretty much what it is. The slope is in front of the x. Y-intercept is right there. It can either be positive or negative, and you just make sure that you are aware of what they generally look like on a Cartesian grid.
That's awesome, Doug. Well, thank you very much.
I hope that this has helped to clarify some things about slope. Very simple lesson here. I'm Doug.
And I'm Scott.
Coming at you from the Yellow Marble.
We'll talk at you in the next one.
Thank you.